everybody, Nate Lee here, and this is a follow-up video to yesterday's mandolin video where we talked about hearing the differences in tonal color, also known as timbre, which looks like timber, but it's timbre. Hearing the differences in tonal color or timbre between unison notes on the fiddle, or yesterday's was about the mandolin. So an example would be we have an E note right here on the D string, or we have one way up the neck on the G string. And even though they're the same note, they have different tonal color. Now, if you want to hear more about that and hear what the example sounded like on mandolin, look at yesterday's video. But for today, what we're going to do is just play these two notes, and your job is just listen to them and see what you can hear, if you can hear a difference. And don't worry, if you can't hear a difference, your ear will develop and you will learn to hear a difference. For now, just stare with your ears and see if you can hear a difference. So here we go. Here's my E note on the D string. Now on the G string. Here it is on the D string again. And the G. So here's what I hear, and drop what you hear in the comments. Let me know. You can't really describe what you hear wrong. There aren't correct words for it. There aren't certain descriptions that are right and other ones that are wrong. Everybody's going to describe it different. So I'm curious to hear how you describe it. But how I describe it is that the D string sounds much brighter to me. More bright and alive. More vibrant. Where the G string E note sounds much more cello-like. It's darker, it's fatter sounding, it's not bright. It's a little on the tubbier side. So that's how I describe the difference. Now, why is this important to you? Well, the reason is that if you can tell where on the neck a note's being played, then you can learn songs by ear faster. Now, pro musicians learn off recordings all the time. They're given a recording, they're supposed to learn songs for a particular gig, and they learn them right off the recording. And if you're not able to hear those differences of where a note's being played, you could waste hours trying to figure out the right way to play something. Now, for learners out there, any of you who are improving on your instrument, maybe you're a beginner, intermediate, possibly advanced, the advantage to you for this is that you're going to be learning things off videos like this one and recordings, and at music camps and things like that, you may not always be able to see exactly what's going on. So learn to hear the timbre differences, and you're going to pick things up faster and easier. But also, it's just kind of fun. So anyway, that's it for today. Watch yesterday's video on the mandolin to hear the comparison on the mandolin, and I talk a little bit more about those differences on that video as well. And if you're into this kind of stuff, make sure to like this video on Facebook and share it and follow this page. And if you're watching on YouTube, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Click that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and click that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want 30 days free on Strum Machine, use my link below. I use Strum Machine every day, and all of my students do as well. It's pretty fantastic. All right, everybody, I'll see you in the next video. Can I do both? I'm doing both. All right, bye, everybody.